A former Marine and Clemson graduate, Neil entered the USC School of Law in the fall of 1971 and immediately accepted the position of student assistant to Dean Robert Foster. After graduating in December of 1973, he worked full-time as an assistant dean, coordinating the move of the law school from Pettigrew to its current location on Main Street. He also served as liaison to the Secret Service for the dedication visit by Vice President Gerald Ford. In 1984, Neil started his own firm, Robinson, Wall & Hasty, which became one of the preeminent real estate and transactional firms in Charleston. In early 1991, Neil was approached by Nixon Pruitt. We were seeking to open a Charleston office, and on May 1 of that year, Nixon Pruitt, Jacobs, Pollard, and Robinson opened its doors, becoming the firm's second office. Neil pioneered the legal arena and development of South Carolina's Sea Islands, providing legal services to developers of significant resort projects at a time when environmental issues were just beginning to be addressed. Wild Dunes, Kiowa, Seabrook Island, and the Hague Point development on Defusky Island all were developed in a responsible, environmentally conscientious way with Neil's guidance. He was instrumental in forming the Coastal Properties Institute and the South Carolina Tourism Council, serving multiple terms as president of each. During this time, he submitted an amicus brief on behalf of those not-for-profit advocacy groups in the seminal U.S. Supreme Court case Lucas versus South Carolina Coastal Council, successfully arguing that the state, by regulation, had unconstitutionally taken oceanfront lots on the Isle of Palms. In 1997, Neil debated the merits of that very case with the Honorable Alex Sanders on William F. Buckley's firing line. Over the last 20 years, Neil's career has turned to planned communities, mixed use, and economic development projects. He's the real estate lawyer today for Boeing, Mercedes, and the South Carolina Ports Authority, and works continuously to help bring new industry to South Carolina's Lowcountry. His passion for creating jobs is matched by his passion for ensuring that South Carolina will produce the employees to fill those jobs, believing that education and economic development are joined at the hip. In 1999, Neil founded the Charleston Education Network and raised $250,000 for a study of how to improve the public schools in the Charleston School District. In 2005, he was appointed to the South Carolina Education Oversight Committee and is serving his third term as its chairman. Neil has also chaired the Southeastern Wildlife Exposition for the past 20 years. He is chairman-elect of the MUSD Children's Hospital Fund and also chairs the Clemson Land Stewardship Foundation, which is the entity developing the ICAR campus in Greenville. 31 years ago, Neil married the love of his life, Vicki Cornerans, and they have 3 fabulous children. Neil's many legal accomplishments are all rooted in the education he received at the University of South Carolina School of Law, and his legal practice has provided the platform for his many ongoing public service commitments. Indeed, Neil Robinson is a complete lawyer.